Hi guys, today we are going to share 3 amazing wall decor ideas that you can try. So firstly, I had taken these newspaper rolls and I'm going to attach 2 of these together, and total I have made 5 like these. Then I have these curtain rings. I'm going to attach all of these together using glue gun in a sequence. So I have total 24 like these and 6 I'm going to attach in a row. And 2 newspaper sticks I'm going to attach it on both the sides of the curtain rings. So attach these all together and let it dry completely. After drying, we are going to paint it with black acrylic color and let it dry too. So after drying, I'm going to use this B700 adhesive to make it more strong, and I'm going to paint the curtain rings with pearl metallic shade, and I've also attached some mirrors on it. So it's ready. For the next one, here I have taken these cardboard leaf. I have cut 3 like this and I'm going to sprinkle sequences all over the leaf to make it more beautiful. Let it dry completely. So I have made 3 like these, and then I have taken a cardboard piece, paint it with black shade and stick the leaves on it. So this wall decor piece is also ready. Now for the last one, I have again taken newspaper rolls and going to stick these in a distance. Stick these all with glue gun only and let it dry completely. After, we are going to stick some golden beads on the sides to make it more beautiful, like this. And now let's make the pistachio flowers. I've taken a cardboard piece. I'm going to attach pistachio shells on it and give it a shape of the flower. Keep sticking the pistachio shells, and similarly we are going to make 5 to 6 like these and let it dry completely. After this, I'm going to paint it with golden spray paint and let it dry too. So flower has dried. We are going to stick these all and it's done. So I have these golden fabric buttons. Going to stick these all at the intersection points of the newspaper rolls, and it's done. So hope you enjoyed today's video. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe. Take care. Goodbye.